Hey there, everyone. How are you doing? Welcome back to our channel. Today, I have something truly remarkable to share with you all. A supplement that's been causing quite a stir for its natural blood sugar control benefits, and much more. Yes, I'm talking about Amiclear. If you've been struggling to maintain healthy blood sugar levels or are looking for an effective and safe way to support your overall well-being, then this video is an absolute must-watch. So stay tuned, because we're about to reveal the incredible benefits of Amiclear, and you won't want to miss a single detail. First and foremost, let's get acquainted with this game-changing supplement. Amiclear is an advanced 100% natural formula designed to help you achieve and maintain optimal blood sugar levels. But here's the best part. This remarkable supplement goes above and beyond, supporting you on your health and wellness journey. Now let's dive into the juicy details about the benefits of Amiclear. When it comes to blood sugar control, Amiclear is the real deal. Its unique blend of powerful ingredients works synergistically to keep your blood glucose in check. This essential mineral enhances insulin sensitivity, ensuring your body efficiently metabolizes glucose, thereby stabilizing blood sugar levels. With its impressive antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, cinnamon plays a crucial role in reducing insulin resistance, leading to more balanced blood sugar. This gem promotes a feeling of fullness, preventing rapid fluctuations in blood sugar after meals, and supporting more controlled glucose levels. These key minerals actively contribute to glycemic control, helping to maintain healthy insulin function and balanced blood sugar. By regulating insulin levels, this extract aids in preventing harmful spikes in blood sugar. But wait, there's more. Amiclear offers additional perks that are truly icing on the cake. If you're looking to shed those pesky pounds and boost your energy, this supplement has your back. Thanks to its powerful thermogenic properties, Amiclear revs up your metabolism, helping your body burn more calories throughout the day, promoting healthy weight management. With stabilized blood sugar levels and efficient energy utilization, Amiclear gives you a natural, sustained boost in energy, allowing you to take on each day with vigor. Don't just take my word for it. Users worldwide have experienced incredible transformations with Amiclear. People have shared their inspiring success stories on the official website, attesting to the effectiveness of this game-changing supplement. Now, as with any health-related endeavor, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. While Amiclear is a natural solution, it's always wise to seek expert advice, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on specific medications. Excited to try Amiclear for yourself? Fantastic! To ensure you get the authentic product with the best deals, head over to the official website. You can find the link right in the video description and the pinned comment. Alright folks, I hope you're as pumped as I am about the phenomenal benefits of Amiclear. This supplement is a game changer for blood sugar control and overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Remember, taking care of your health is a journey, and with Amiclear by your side, you're well on your way to a healthier, happier you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, take care.